Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to change the fingerprint animation in this device. So in this device I already set one fingerprint lock. You can see this is the animation I set. You can see. So let me show you how to change the fingerprint animation in this device. For this, go to settings, tap on wallpaper and style. Then here you can see the option fingerprint animation and you can see some fingerprint animation you can see here. So let me show you the closer view. Okay, so here I am going to select this one. Now lock the device. You can see the fingerprint scanner, you can see animation. The next one, you can see, right? So simply in this way you can change the fingerprint animation in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.